Question 12 is a probability tree question. We're given all the probabilities of a win-lose situation between two games that Martha plays, and we're asked to find the probability that Martha will lose at least one game. So looking at the first result here, win-win, well, that's not going to satisfy the condition that we're given. This second route, win-lose, yes, that's going to be okay. This third route, lose and then win, yes, that will also be okay. And lose-lose, well, they didn't say anything about just one game, it said at least one game. So the fact that she's lost two games still satisfies this condition. Now, we could work out all of these three probabilities, which will be 5/8 multiplied by 7/9 for the first one, 3/8 multiplied by 2/9 for the second one, and then 3/8 multiplied by 7/9 for the third one. Now that's a lot of work. What we could do instead is look at our result here and subtract our answer from 1, because she's going to end up at one of these four destinations. Let me show you. So the probability of a win-win, which I've called x, is equal to 5/8 multiplied by 2/9, which is equal to 10/72. So therefore, the probability of tick, tick, tick is equal to 1 minus 10/72. And that is equal to 62/72, because this is 72/72. Take away 10, 62/72. So that's a really good shortcut way to get to the answer.